We ready. We ready. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. And you can't throw out a challenge and think I ain't gonna participate. Yes, sir. So here's my official entry into Watermelon Wars. Let's go. Don't worry about what all this stuff is right there. That really don't concern you. Really don't concern you. Just topping them off with some wood chips. I got some Congos. I got some Charleston Grays. Wish I could find some of them Jubilee. Was it Jubilee Cross y'all was talking about? We got them. I ain't found them. First time I ever heard of them. I might not get the biggest, but no, you can't put out a challenge without me jumping in it. So yeah, I'm in zone 7, so mine's a little bit farther behind than most of y'all up in that warm climates. And zone 8, zone 9, only one I seen was in the zone close to mine, Virginia versus Virginia, down there in 6A. The Watermelon Queen, that's what she said. I didn't really see her video last year, but I know my brother Bo Farmer, and what I seen, he was the Watermelon King. Well, we're gonna see what we can do about all that. Put some of these wood chips down, change some of that moisture. You know, watermelon, they love water. That's the name, watermelon. Get ready to set this drip up in here. We're gonna try to give y'all a run for y'all money. You know us Tennessee boys, we gonna compete. One way or the other, we gonna compete. Thank y'all for tuning in once again. Odom's Homestead, Watermelon Wars. Let's get it.